AEMD stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Aethlon Medical stock is a buy or not for me. So watch the short 1-minute video till the end, find out. I do see a 33% increase only on Friday. Last week combined performance was 61% gains. I have seen like the higher time frame chart on this AEMD stock, and you can see my previous bias on this was quite short, and that delivered. I don't even lie, this video was made in June, and here's how it looked like. Look, it's 14th of June. This is the 1 hour chart then, and then become 1 hour chart. This is the after, you know, so here's the before. I'll just copy this. That's exactly what happened, and now we're here, and now out of nowhere we're going up, right? So what's my bias on this? I'm not so quick to be sold on this bullish potential bias. I still kind of stick to the core. But what I'm going to do is do this, you know, boom. And now, this is only going to be like a bearish market if I see double breaks beneath these lows. But like in the meantime, I'll just keep an eye. And why, like this is like some big discrepancy really. No, it's not. Like it's 42 cents. And I'll just keep an eye. What happens if it starts going up? Again, I'll just keep an eye and keep you updated. For right now, it's not tradable for me. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.